So let's just move on further and let's talk about some problems. So the problem number 1 says that classify each of the following as nothing but a simple curve, a simple closed curve, a polygon, a convex polygon and a concave polygon. So let's just classify all these 6 parts as nothing but a simple closed, polygon, convex or concave. So let us suppose we are starting with the simple curves first. So what are simple curves over here? What are simple curves? As we know by the definition, simple curves are those that do not cross itself is called as a simple curve. So starting with the very first part, obviously the first part is nothing but a simple curve. So the very first part is a simple curve. Again, second is a simple curve. Third is not a simple curve because it is crossing itself, so it is not a simple curve at all. Fourth one is a simple curve. Fifth one is obviously not a simple curve because it is crossing itself. And again, the sixth one is not a simple curve as we have 2 circles over here which are concentric. So hence 6 is again not a simple curve. So only 1, 2 and 4 are the simple curves. So let's just talk about the simple closed curve. So let us suppose this is A, this is B. So we are talking about the simple closed curves. So simple closed curves are those that do have some area within. So obviously the first one is again a simple closed curve, second one is a simple closed curve, third one is not a simple curve, so it is not a simple closed curve. Again, the fourth one is definitely a simple closed curve because it is enclosing an area within and it is simple as well. Again, fifth and sixth is not a simple closed curve at all because they are not obviously simple, so that's why they are not simple closed curve. So let's just talk about the C part, which is nothing but a polygon. So polygons are nothing but the simple closed curves that are made up of the line segments. By the definition we can say the simple closed curves that are made up of the line segments, they are nothing but called as the polygons. So obviously the first one is a polygon, the second one is a polygon, and further the third one, what we can say about the third one? Obviously the third one is not a polygon because it is a simple closed curve, but we cannot say that third is nothing but is not as definitely a simple closed curve because it is crossing itself. So if it is not a simple closed curve, we cannot say it is a polygon because for a polygon the 2 conditions are necessary, that it must be a simple closed as well as it is made up of line segments. Obviously it is made up of line segments, but it is not a simple closed curve, so hence it is not a polygon at all because it is not a simple closed curve. Again, let's just talk about the fourth one. Obviously the fourth one is not a polygon, it is not made up of line segments. Fifth one is again not a polygon, sixth one is again not a polygon. So the polygons are only 2, that is 1 and 2. Now let's just talk about the D part, that is nothing but the convex polygons. What are convex polygons? Convex polygons are those in which no portion of their diagonal is in the exterior. So convex polygon is nothing but the first one is obviously not a convex polygon because if I'll join these 2 vertices all together, so their diagonal must be in the exterior. So this is not a convex polygon. Again, this is a convex polygon because we can draw a diagonal from this vertex toward this vertex. Hence the second one is nothing but a convex polygon. Obviously the third one is not a convex polygon. Again, the fourth one is not. Again, the fifth one is not, and sixth one is absolutely not. So let's just move on further towards the E part, which is a concave polygon. It is quite obvious that the very first part is nothing but a concave polygon because we can draw a diagonal that whose portion should lie in the exterior of the given polygon. So the first one is nothing but a concave polygon. So this is nothing but the classification of all these polygons or of all these curves as a simple closed, as a polygon, as a convex or as a concave.